Did you know that 96% of today's manufacturing companies are facing challenges? Top challenges include limited planning capabilities, limited flexibility, and resource-consuming manual processes. These challenges have arisen from a lack of ERP manufacturing capabilities, resulting in major operations drawbacks, slow cash flow, and failure to meet time-to-market requirements. We surveyed 300 C-suite manufacturing executives in North America and Europe to understand the state of manufacturers' digital transformation journey and identify challenges in their ERP solutions. 91% of manufacturing executives who look at the flexibility, agility, and scalability of their ERP systems admit they are facing challenges. In particular, scaling their ERP with the pace of growth, product personalization, and meeting dynamic customer demand. Without these capabilities, companies cannot respond to market changes quickly. Consequently, their growth and innovation will be stunted. Manufacturers are still lagging behind Industry 4.0 standards. Real-time visibility is set to be table stakes for manufacturers, as accurate inventory data can improve forecasting while lowering the costs of stocking, logistics, and shipping. However, half of the companies do not have real-time inventory or shop floor visibility. To learn more about companies' ERP budget planning, face challenges, market benchmarks, and more, download our full report at priority-software.com.